Hey, John, what happened? What happened last night?
Thailand.
Santa?
Yeah. Oh, a baby.
And he brought presents?
Yeah.
Where? Let me see. Oh, hey, Michael. Presents? Oh, my goodness. Okay.
Oh, Friday.
Okay, what else did he do?
Donate.
What?
Mine.
Okay.
Dad. What?
Wait, where'd they go?
It's done.
Where's the milk?
Yeah, what is that?
Did you eat them?
No.
Who ate them? Santa?
Yeah. I am there.
He was in your house?
Yeah.
How did he get in the house? The doors were locked.
No.
What? What? What?
Oh, yeah.
He came in through the fireplace?
No, here.
Yeah, it's a fireplace.
What?
No, it's here.
Why are your stockings on the floor?
What are you doing to me?
Huh?
This is weird. I feel violated.
Wait, is that Michael's or John's?
That's mine, John. That's mine. That's mine.
Michael's.
John, yours is right there.
Here, why don't you go over there, Michael?
Hey,
Oh, we're gonna sit right here.
Oh, okay.
We always sit right here. Oh, mine has a rip in it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know. That needs to get fixed. But
Oh, that's
does
what
it have anything in it?
That's what I'm talking about.
I'll take a handful of those.
Oh, you pop out.
Those are whoppers.
Yeah.
No more.
Oh, dude. I don't even need to open
John, those are for your singing party.
I forgot about those. M&M's?
What is in there, John?
Pencil thing? Okay. I don't know what Santa was doing. More gum? Oh my word.
What'd you get?
Got goodies.
Santa got me 5 things of gum. That's a lot.
You're mine.
It'll be gone in a week, I'm sure.
Now just remember, Michael, that means you're
Oh.
What is it, John? Veggie Tales?
It's a show?
Lifesaver gummies, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, what was that one?
That sounds good. I don't know as good as this.
Yeah, exactly.